Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is another strategy for today, 1st of September 2022. Happy new month to everyone. Happy new month, and we wish you all the best in this new month. Here we're going to be trading the touch no touch again. We've dropped some strategies on our other channels, so make sure you subscribe to all our channels today to watch all these strategies. I placed the trade there, so I'm going to explain this to you after this trade. So there's a trade going on because I once I sense the movement of this stuff right here, so I place the trade. So I'm going to explain to you after this. So you can see we won that trade again. We made 2.62. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, is the boat right there, and we've updated the boat today, 1st of September 2022. You can see some of the results right here. We've set the update to all those who have previously purchased the boat at no extra cost. That's a good thing about purchasing this boat. Once there's a new update, we're going to send it to you at no extra charges. So the boat is just 9.99 USD. To order the boats, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payment using transfer, Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, USDT, Ethereum, so many payment options on the order page. So visit the order page to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits. We've updated the PIPSREAPER boat today as well. You can see some of the results today, 1st of September 2022. The boat is just 7.99 USD. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. We are going to paste all these links in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Use this link to sign up. Check the video description on YouTube. Once you sign up, you can test all the strategies on demo before you go live. This is the link to subscribe to our first channel. Remember, we're going to drop strategies across all our 3 channels today. So subscribe to all the channels. This is the link to subscribe to the second channel, and this is the link to subscribe to the third channel, and this is the link to read written tutorials on our forum. So let's proceed. Let's place a few more trades. We are using the Deriv Dtrader. So once you log into the Dtrader platform, you go to the trade type, you open the Volatility 50 index. We are trading the Volatility 50 index. You click on it. So once you do that, you go to I'm in dark mode. To change your settings to dark mode, all you have to do is to go to the platform settings here and click on dark mode. So it's not compulsory, you can use the light mode or dark mode. So you go to the trade type here, you click on touch no touch. Once you do that, you go to ticks, you set this to 60s. Just click on this thing, then you click on this drop down to set your barrier offset to minus 0.0712. you set the barrier, then you enter the amount you want to stake. We are going to be clicking the no touch, and we are going to be watching the movement of this stuff right here. So once it's pushing, you can see it's down, so we have to wait for it to go right up a bit. So once it's pushing right up, we're going to be clicking on the no touch. You can see it's pushing right up, it's pushing right up. It's going down again, so let's wait a bit for it to go right up. That should be going right up continuously before you place before you click on the no touch. You can see it's dropping down, so you have to wait. So once it goes up a bit, we'll go for another trade. Okay, so let's go for that trade there. It's going up a bit. You can see we have to wait for so long. You can see it's pushing right up now. It's pushing right up. So you can see we want that trade, we want that trade, we want that trade. So you can just go on and on and on. Just make sure you watch the movement carefully before you place the trade. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.